Are you ready to be amazed? Locksmith Noblesville will amaze you, dear customer, with our boundless talent. Our pros can handle any highly technical problem. When you need to duplicate your transponder chip key, let our more than capable technicians handle the job. Our professionals make absolutely no differentiation between make and model of automobile. If you need a chip key duplicated, even if it belongs to a foreign car made in Yoga moga moga, our people can easily accomplish the task. Alternatively, maybe you need high security keys programmed for your home office only. No problem. We can joyfully program high security keys for those who are nuts about high security key locks. It's amazing to me. But you gotta call us. Call us now, Locksmith Noblesville, 317-608-0227.